Hi Philip, how's it going?
Good.
Would you mind filming a little bit?
Sure.
Good time. Yeah. Hey. All that. Not bad, huh? Oh gosh, hang on. Oh gosh, I dropped it. Philip. Let me have it. Yeah, looks like we have enough. We got special walnut now, quite a bit. Oh dang, hang on, this is about to... Oh yeah, whoa. Oh. Oh man, look at that. Okay.
That's heavy.
That is broken. Dang. Okay, now that I put it down here. Can you crawl? Hang on, no, hang on. Can you crawl in there and close that little middle console? Ready?
Hope that doesn't break it.
Bam! Oh my gosh! Hello and welcome. Let me turn this off here. Went to the storage unit, dropped off some stuff you just saw, and carved this stack here. We got these all carved, and we got these carved. They need to be painted, and now I'm working on these. These are ready to go, and they're ready to go to staining, but they're actually going into storage. So they're pre-sanded. The edge are broken. Everything broken. Edge broke. Edge break. I don't know. I break at the edge. So the edges are all clean. They're sanded at 220 level, and they're going into storage. So when we hit like Christmas season rush, then I will pull those out and get them going. So they're going into like stock up there over the machine. All right, that concludes the painting for the day. Got all these done, and we got all this stacked here. It looks like we have 37 tall, so we can get about, what is that, 750. I bet I can get about 200 signs up there, a couple 7-inch. You got some poo there?
Yeah. It's stinky.
Oh man, it smells like poo. Okay, let's see what you do there. Ooh, that's a good one right there. Alright, kind of a random video today. I don't know, I didn't know what to film. It was kind of same old, same old. So, filmed just a little bit of bits and pieces here and there. Finishing up the day, we did some carving, and these are our new stock items. So these are little kitchen signs, and we're going for stock, not customized, so they're going to be cheaper, ready to ship. Just trying to get something done that we can get in the mail as soon as the customer buys them. So yeah, 2 little signs for your kitchen, and price-wise I'm not sure. I think we're going to charge like $20 for each. Not sure. Shipping was like $6. I'm not sure. Around 20 bucks or so shipped.